Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates and info. Alright, today we'll be updating on how to convert your social media traffic to search traffic. Please stay tuned and updated. Alright, before we get started, I would like to inform you that in my yesterday video I talked about how to change Facebook add friend button to follow button, so please check it out, it's important. Okay, started now. First of all, you have to type site, S-I-T-E, and put this and add your website URL without HTTPS, alright, and search it on Google. Okay, now this is it. Now you see a display of all your posts that are indexed by Google. So now you have to check for the posts in which you want to share in social media and click and hold. Don't click, just hold it like this. Alright. Now click on copy link address. Okay, I've copied it. Now go to bit.ly. Okay. You just have to wait for it to load. Alright, now insert the link you copied from Google here in the shorten your link. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we have to click shorten. Okay, now it's shortened. You have to click on copy the link that was shortened. Alright, I've clicked on it now. We have to test it if it's going to work. So there's a link. Remember the post was about nursing scholarship abroad, so now we're testing it now. Alright, now this is the post actually. So now what you're going to do with the link is that you're going to share it to your social media platform. Just share it, then when they click on the link, when your audience click on the link, it will first redirect them to Google before taking them to your website, and it automatically converts the traffic from social media traffic to search traffic. So you don't have to be bothered about Adlimit if you're monetizing your site with AdSense or a low CPC or RPM. So with this tutorial, it will help your CPC increase and your RPM increase, and to help you organic traffic increase. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't just go alone, share it to your friends and family as well.